Hey guys, so if you watch me usually, you'll probably be able to tell I am in a different room today with a different background. This is what we call our horror room. It is also slightly like an office, I guess. It's got like a tiny little desk in it. It's the smallest room in the world. This is literally a wall and this is a wall. It's teeny tiny, but today I am going to give you a tour in here. I know people want a house tour. I am not unaware of that. I see the comments and stuff and people asking me on Instagram. I would love to do a house tour. There is a reason that I'm not. It's not that I'm just being lazy and putting it off. When the reason goes away, I will do a house tour and tell you why. But for now, I just don't feel super comfortable doing it. So we're going to do a little horror room tour. It isn't full in here and it's not really finished. We did this at Christmas time and I've lived here over a year. Before that, it was kind of like a junk box room. So I will show you around in here, try and show you where I got things from. If there's anything that I don't mention and you want to know where I got it, anything like that, please feel free to ask. I will try my best to find out and reply. But yeah, let's just get started and show you our little horror room. Okay, so this is a real quick overview of the whole room. It is teeny tiny, as you can see. So on the door, when we first walk in, we have our little shrunken heads. This one here is Gary's and this one here is my one. My one was called Cruella. I'm not sure what his one was called, but I actually got these made from Germany. They are made with real hair and they are pretty disgusting, but I love them. They weren't too expensive, I don't think. Not cheap either, but not the worst. So they are just hung on a little hook on the door, like coming into our little horror room. And then up here above the door we have a little eek neon green light up sign. I'm gonna shut the door just because it's easier to kind of show you around that way. So on this side we just have a little exorcist print, and then underneath we have a little cross. I'm pretty sure this was like a vampire killing cross or something, and it came out of a mystery box a long time ago. A lot of the things in this room you're probably going to have seen before in like Halloween hauls or boxes or even Christmas and birthday videos. You're going to have seen loads of these things. So then we get to this side. So this is our little desk area. It's a super tiny desk. It literally just like fits a laptop, but that is fine. We have a little light up boo sign, little shredder and book, and a laptop down here. This is the what are they called, like the little film things that I got for Christmas. I've not hung it up yet. I'm not really sure where to put it, but it's just kind of leaning there for now. And then going up here we have just some little shelves. These were empty. I filled them with really random things. So first of all we have this little guy who came in a mystery box. Love him. We have this plaque from Sinister Signs. I have a couple of things from her. Absolutely love her. And some little geodes as well. We have the little bears, the ghost bears that I unboxed recently on my channel. Some of those. Another little painted plaque and a very old little gizmo. He's so cute. And then we have our pin collection across here. So these ones are all of Gary's pins. He kind of filled his with just loads and loads of different pins. If you want to pause and look at any better, then obviously you can do, but I can't really go over everyone, otherwise it will take me forever. This in the center is actually a Christmas stocking. It like opens up from the Disney shop and you can put things in there. It's supposed to be a stocking. We use it as a pin board because it just works really well that way. A lot of these are mine from boxes or people buying them me, something like that. But then there is a couple of his ones up here which didn't fit on the coffin. And then this is my coffin. I decided to just make it all horror pins on this one. So we have like a little Chucky, little Michael Myers, Ghostface, Nosferatu, some little Ghostbusters ones, a little lollipop from Trick or Treat, It, Jigsaw. Again, you've probably seen a lot of these in different mystery boxes that I've had and stuff like that. So that is our pin collection. I have a little print that says it can't rain all the time because you know that I love the crow. And then we have a little Gremlins print. So most of our prints are from this same artist. I'm pretty sure they're called Evil Eye Art. I will put it down below. Love their stuff. We put the gremlin next to the gremlins, but on this side we have loads more different ones. So this Beetlejuice one is not from them, and this Dirty Dancing one, which is a bit crinkly, is not from them. The rest are from Evil Eye Art. So we've got the Friday the 13th, the Mars Attacks, Scream, Annabelle, bit of glare, sorry, Child's Play, Chucky, obviously, Pennywise from It, a Halloween Michael Myers one, and a Texas Chainsaw one. So that is the prints over on that side of the room. This room does have a window up here, by the way. That is why there is such a glare on some of the things. Then we have this little metal cabinet. This has just absolute random stuff in it. So the top drawer is like all of my important documents, like my car stuff, my pet insurance stuff, my pension stuff. Anything boring and serious is in that top drawer. The second drawer down is notebooks and little notepads and things, and some random scissors and USB drives and stuff. The third drawer is pens and tapes and rulers and just anything stationery that you can think of is the third drawer. Fourth drawer is more, again, very random. So we have like some paintbrushes, some little craft things, paints, crystals, stickers, a lot of random artsy sort of things. The fifth drawer is a receipts box, and again more art things. So we've got sequins and little stones and paint pens, stickers, some stationery stuff. That's a bit of a miscellaneous drawer, I would say. And then the bottom drawer is all phone cases, tape, my little wax seal stuff, and my storage, like external hard drive. Up here we have a little Camp Crystal Lake flag and a little Pennywise. This is a light up box. It does say trick or treat, but we lost the T, so it actually says trick or tree 7, which that is why he's hiding them. We have a little Chucky cushion in the corner. He's reversible, so one side is, I'll try to turn it around. One side is like the evil Chucky, and the other side is the nice Chucky, or the less beat up Chucky anyway. And then finally we get onto the bookshelf and the cabinet. So everything on the bookshelf I believe is mine, I think, and then all of the gremlins are my boyfriend's. I've just had to bring the light in here because it's super dark, so I will try and go through these the best I can. So again, we have another little plaque that Sinister Signs made me that says LunaLily, and I've got all of my Charlie bears off my grandparents here. So there is the little impish one, there's the big one I got for Christmas that's like a little gargoyle, a little bat one, and a little pumpkin one. At the back over here we've got a canvas that someone actually painted and sent me in my PO box when I had a PO box. And then back here we have a signed Avenged Sevenfold vinyl, like a little mini vinyl in a frame. Next level, we have some creepy dolls. I get these at Halloween time from just like normal supermarkets. So if you haven't seen me like show these before, I will show you what they all do. So this one does this. I'm gonna stop her because she goes on for ages, but that is that one. This one does this. Come play with me. Okay, and this one does this.
I can't wait for you to see my new trick. What do you think? Do you like it?
So that is the creepy little dolls, and I have two little mini autographs here. So we have the Shining Twins signed picture, and we have Doug Bradley signed picture here. Then on the third shelf, this one is a really short kind of shelf, so it's just filled with silly little figures and stuff like that. Some of these came from Fright Crate. This is something that I think it's called Thana Toys made for me. Got a little Pop Funko, another Sinister Signs plaque. I can't remember what the company's called that made him, but I will put it here on the screen now. He is so cute. I love him. Little Sam Snow Globe. Again, I think that was from Fright Crate. Some little personalised trolls because I love trolls. And then these came from another subscription box. And this is my cute little ghost Lego that I got at Halloween. So that is that shelf. And then on this big shelf, we do actually have two signs that are my boyfriend's. We have this Elm Street one and this Walt Disney Studios one. I think these are just on here because we haven't put them anywhere else for now. This is my Chucky doll. He does talk.
A true classic. Never goes out of style.
He says different things. I think this is a Mezco one. I'm not too sure. I will put it again, maybe here on the screen now, what kind of Chucky he is, in case you're interested. Then I have a little gremlin who sings. I actually don't remember where you press him to get him to sing. Oh, there we go. Did something. So he just kind of like rocks back and forward, doing his little song. I have a giant, I'm not sure if it was a Funko Pop or if it was a different brand, but I actually got this in a mystery box and it is huge. So a little Jack Skellington and Zero. Then next shelf is my favourite shelf. These are all my Mezco Roto dolls. These used to sit behind me like on a shelf on my bed in my old house. So we have a little Pennywise. They're all soft bodied and super detailed. I love them. Like I said, this one is Pennywise. We have a really creepy nun. And again, I got this from Sinister Signs and I put it with the nun because I thought it kind of like went with her. We have a little Annabelle with a dress. And we have a little ghost face with a knife and the cutest little detailed boots. Love those. They are definitely my favourites. And then top shelf, we have some Funkos. So we've got the scene with Jack and Sally. We have a Stripe. This one isn't a Funko. I think this is a NECA Trick or Treat Sam. A little Greta. I'm going to get her tattooed on me soon. And another little scene with Zero. This I actually got in America. It's not anything like those. It's just a little spiky unicorn. And then up at the top we have the three masks. So we've got the new Halloween Ends Michael Myers that came from Mad About Horror. I will link them down below in case you're interested. He looks so creepy up there. We have a creature that came from a Fright Crate box, I believe, a long time ago. It's super well made. It's like really 3D and rubber. And then we have the ghost face mask as well. It's kind of like a glittery material. Again, that did come from Mad About Horror as well, like the Michael one. And then last but not least, we have the Gremlins cabinet. They are all the NECA ones that come in a box, but obviously they've been like unboxed and stuff. These fall over all the time, so if anyone has any suggestions of how to not make them fall over, that would be great. But at the top we have one that's not the same as the rest. I think that's why he's still in the box. And this box is just a random box we got for something else. I don't know why it's up there, but it is. So the first one is the biggest one and probably the best one, I would say. That is the Spider Gremlin. I'm not going to open the cabinet because, like I say, they fall over so easily. But he looks so cool. We're going to get some like LED lights in here to show these off better. We are still looking for the bat gremlin but can't find it anywhere. So if anyone ever finds one of those, please feel free to let me know. On the next shelf we have Brain and Greta. And then at the back we have like the little gamer one with his popcorn. I think the middle one is Stripe with the mohawk, and I'm not sure who that one on the other side is, if I'm honest. He has a little mallet. Then we have the Father Christmas, or the Santa Claus one down here. We have the construction guys at the back. We have a little gizmo, Flasher, and then we have the 4 carol singers down at the bottom. This is all just random bits of accessories that come with them all. They all come with different things. There is so many of them. Like I said, they keep falling over, so we make them look all cute and then they fall over and they just get kind of thrown back in there. But yeah, that is the Gremlins cabinet and also the whole horror room. To go along with the desk, we do also have a chair that has this cute little fluffy pillow on it from Mad About Horror as well, just to throw that in there. But yeah, that is what this looks like. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that tiny little tour. I know it's not super exciting, it's so small in here, but if you're after any of these things, hopefully that helped like find out where you get them and stuff. Like I said, I will be doing a house tour as soon as I can. I haven't forgotten about it. It will be coming at some point, hopefully. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.